Adding chili powder to fried rice will immediately upgrade ordinary fried rice. If you don't believe it, remember to make it at home. There are 1,000 of recipes in my channel. There must be a recipe you like. If you don't know what to cook, just check it out and look for inspiration. And don't forget to save the recipes. I'm afraid you won't be able to find me if you slide away. Mix overnight rice with oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and chilies powder, then set aside. Stir-fry onion white and chopped garlic. Add mixed vegetables and rice, stir-fry until fragrant. Optional to sprinkle pepper powder. Plate fried rice and delicious chilies fried rice is done. You will love this fried rice. Give it a try. I share delicious recipe every day. There are 1,000 of recipes in my channel waiting for you. If you like cooking, follow me now so you can check them out for inspiration for your next cooking. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.